How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I wanted to quickly talk about the top 5 things you must know about ExpressVPN. And the first thing, and it's probably why most of you guys are seeking out a VPN, is the fact that you're able to unblock a whole bunch of streaming services. And ExpressVPN allows you to unblock up to 18 to 20 Netflix libraries and a whole bunch of other streaming services such as Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, whatever it is that you're trying to unblock. The second thing you want to know is that you are also able to torrent to your heart's content without any bandwidth limitations. The third thing is that ExpressVPN doesn't really have many features except for necessary features such as the kill switch, split tunneling, a handful of protocols. You've got some shortcuts right here, which will show up when you turn on the VPN, as you can tell right here. Your browser extensions in advance, you have nothing to worry about right here. And of course, if you're not familiar with the kill switch, it will stop your internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, making sure that you're only connected to the internet when you're secured by the VPN. And split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. So what you can do is select only your torrenting client to use the VPN while the rest of your connection is left outside your VPN tunnel, or the other way around if you desire. And that is pretty much it. Now, the fourth thing you want to know about ExpressVPN is that it is independently audited. So what that means is that there are security firms out there that verify the security of a specific software company, such as a VPN. So what they do is that they audit the server infrastructure and privacy policy in order to make sure that everything is in line with the privacy policy that ExpressVPN in this case claims. And all of the independent audit reports that they've conducted so far resulted in outstanding conclusions, proving that they do uphold their no logs policy and they have a very solid server infrastructure. Now, another thing you want to know about ExpressVPN, and the final thing for today, is that there's something called Trusted Server, which they use in order to make sure that their servers are as secure as they can be. And trusted servers are basically servers that run on RAM only, which means there are no hard drives that are attached to the servers, so there won't be any space for data to be stored in these servers in the first place. And of course, whatever little data is stored on these RAM drives will be deleted with every machine reboot, which do take place quite often as they maintain these servers. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about ExpressVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find a full review down below. And if you'd like to jump straight to pricing and discounts, you'll also find the links below as well. And keep in mind that Express is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive Express for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can just simply get yourself the refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.